Okay, baddies. So we have made it to our destination. Juju, tell them where we at.
We in Las Vegas, bitches.
Period.
Period.
One, two, three.
My suitcase looked a hot ass mess, and my clothes done got dirty.
This is so humiliating.
All my shit dirty, y'all. Look at this, bro. I cannot. Okay, guys. So we came out the room. We can eat some food. We got Johnny Rockets. They got a freaking Johnny Rockets in the hotel, bro. They got everything in here. I'm about to show y'all.
The next morning.
Outfit of the day for a quick little bodysuit, inside. Okay, buddy, so it is the next morning and we're gonna go see my madre because they have arrived. We on the 8th floor and they on the freaking 22nd. And I'm sure y'all wanna get my mommy's room. And today's her actual birthday, so she thought she don't know what she wanna do, but I was like, nigga, it's your birthday. Y'all know in September, when it's my birthday, I ain't even saying September because I've been wanting some Chanel sneakers. I wanted Chanel sneakers since last Christmas, I think. And I really was trying to get them during my birthday, but that didn't work out. So I'm going to try and get them some today because this is a big city and they have like a Chanel store actually. So yeah, I'm going to try and go and get some. It's a store that has some. She said they got a gray pair, so I think I'm going to go try those on. And if I don't like them, I might go to Neiman Marcus, so I might just be like, it wasn't meant to be, and just say fuck it. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all when I get to my mommy's room. So I went to my mommy's room.
And I'm screwing up big time.
Big time. Went in her room, and my stepdad realized that was not his clothes in the suitcase. And we got the wrong suitcase, so we about to go to the airport and switch them out. Birthday girl, anything you want to say to the YouTube?
I don't want to screw up anymore today.
Please don't. Rocky, say hey.
Yo, what's going on, man?
Roberto. Everybody say hey.
Hello.
Hey. We eating, y'all.
Much later.
I'm gonna back and see me. Oh, we finna go out. Okay, buddy, so I'm finna get ready. It's the next day, and we finna go out. Me and my mom finna go to the store because I want to buy me some Chanel sneakers. Today's my last day because I actually got to change my flight from Monday to Sunday, so I can like actually have a ride back home and all that. So yeah, I'm leaving tomorrow, which is sad. But I'm gonna see y'all after I'm done getting ready. Okay. Okay. Okay, y'all, I'm using my flashlight so I can get some light under this outfit.
Downloaded already.
For today, my little romper, some lovely wholesale, purse, some Shein, Louis sneakers, and my mask. I'm gonna put her ad on the screen. But yeah, I'm gonna go. Okay, guys, so we just left Chanel. I popped my Chanel thanks to my mommy. Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
Early Christmas gift, and I got the perfect color. I'm gonna show y'all when I get back to the hotel or whatever.
20 minutes later.
I'm gonna do a little unboxing.
This is nice. I like this suede.
Y'all, Gigi is so cute. I love her outfit.
I love that right now, y'all. But I'm trying to beat my face.
Wait on it.
Period.
Period.
Purr. I like these a lot. I actually love these.
Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all when we go to get something to eat. I think I might get a party bus too. Not sure. And I need to repack my suitcase. I should probably do it right now. Maybe should I do it later? I don't know. My mom brought me this suitcase, so I gotta take all of my stuff. I got stuff everywhere. All of my stuff and put it in here. So I'm about to start.
Just then.
Hey, it's lit in Vegas. Period. Period. Hey, turn up. Last day in Vegas, we got to. Hey, fuck it up, Juju. Hey, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up. Y'all, she gotta teach me how to twerk, ain't it? Hey, hey, lit. Fuck it up, fuck it up. Hey, hey. I'm so dead. Y'all. We finally finished to go.
A few moments later.
Why the fuck you lying?
Lies. Black people are so bad, y'all. It's sad. She told me she walking out. She's still over there. So we finna go to Lulu's Chicken and Waffles, right? That's what it's called. Lolo's Chicken and Waffles. And y'all, they made it look so good, bro. Like they got soul food, and I know they made it look good because first of all, I can't even decide what I want, and they booked up for reservations, so I know they're good. But I'm gonna show y'all when we get there and when we start eating and all that. I'm so freaking hungry because we skipped breakfast, so I'm gonna chow down. Like, I'm so hungry. But I hope this food is good, so I'm gonna show y'all when we get there.
That's your shit?
Nigga, when my name come up, respect it.
Yeah.
Shit, you already know.
Say hey, daddy.
Hey, what?
Daddy.
Yeah,
Put some respect on my name.
they already know what it is. They don't know. Nah, they
No.
nigga.
Man, shut up.
Meanwhile.
Hey, do the stanky leg, do the stanky leg, hey, do the stanky leg. Did it? How you doing? Be like, yeah. I can't do it. Be like, be like, yeah. Hey.
One nap later.
Girl, I'm so tired. My eyes are on. Y'all, we took, what time we went to sleep? Like long nap. Okay.
Like 7 to
10. Almost 11 though, because 10:55. Or 10:55, yeah. So, we took a long ass nap because we jet lagged like fuck. And we still can't get the time zones together. But, my mom and I'm running a party bus. So, we finna go to that because it's our last night. So, we gotta turn up. We do like the party. So, we gotta turn up with them one more time. And then we're gonna come back and get some sleep because our flight is at 8 tomorrow morning. So yeah, we gotta go to sleep kind of early so you can be ready for that.
Rocky, say hey.
Yo, what's up, man?
Robert.
Nah.
Y'all gotta get turned.
I already know what's going on.
Let him know that's good. I already know who's gonna be in the stripper pole. Hey. Quickest party bus in the whole room. Alright, me and she's about to play the game. Yeah, I like that feeling. I like sitting next to people because it be warm. You know, when I sit down, my butt be cold because I ain't got nothing. But we about to play Sex in the City, we about to gamble because we in Vegas. So, just do a game. And see who we're gonna see if we win or lose money. Hopefully this go good. I'm putting my dollar in first. And if I do good, then I'm putting my 20 in. Alright, so now I can play?
yeah.
I'm so confused.
Alright, did you win some?
I can't tell. Oh, we won. We keep winning.
Hey, okay.
Period.
I still don't know what's going on.
Give me my pocketbook. I'm leaving.
The following day.
Goodbye, baby. Oh, baby.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Alright, y'all, so it is Sunday. And we're gonna get shot because we finna go. We got our bags packed and everything. But I'm trying to see if I can find some souvenirs for my people.
Eventually.
Oh, we barely made it out. We're so tired. Bye. Bye.